Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So today I have a 180-degree mystery box. They were offering this, I can't remember, $30, $35 for this mystery box, but the price will be like going below, so you'll know exactly what I paid. And I think this is the first mystery box that they've done or that I've seen. So let's get into it. So how you all doing today? I'm doing great. We're going to be going away for a few days, so I don't know if I'll get this video posted before or after we get away. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like this box, like my channel, like my content, and maybe like me. And hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know how much I love you and appreciate you guys. And let's get into this box. So this is a self-care and wellness for you to enjoy. Use code 180joy3 for 30% off the first box in a 3-month subscription. And that's exactly what I did when I signed up for this. And this is the 180-degree mystery box. Thanks for making 180-degree a part of your journey. So again, this is the mystery box. So I have no idea what's in here. And then we have a little butterfly. Butterfly must be the theme of the summer. And then the packaging. So I am just, oh no. It's got these. So these will be like everywhere. They'll be in my bed. They'll be all over the house. So I forgot to check if, no, it doesn't say what's in here. It says it's got tips for healthcare, but it doesn't say what's in the box. So we're gonna find out. Everything is packed so nice. The Posh House Lemongrass Lavender Fabric Refreshener. Wow. Look at the size of that. So you can use this, I guess, on your sheets, your linens, your couch. This is awesome. And look at the size of that. So to me, that is worth whatever I paid for the box. And another huge item, Milk Boss. Oh, it's a milk frother. So for your coffee, battery installation directions. Oh, I have to put it together. It's like when I cook. If it has more than 2 items, forget about it. But yeah, it's a milk frother. So I'm gonna try and get it out, but they packaged it so good. So how awesome is that for your coffee? Didn't expect that to be in the box. So liking that. Then we have, oh, an eye balm. And look at the size of this. I'll show you the bottom so you can see. But we've been getting a lot of it's sealed. So we've been getting a lot of eye products, and I have been using them religiously every day. So not mad at that. Ooh, another item. This is bar soap lemongrass. I'm just gonna smell it. That's what it looks like, and it smells like lemon. And I've been using this. We got, I don't know what box it was, but they put these like shower floss in them where you can put a bar of soap in it and wash yourself, and you don't lose the soap in there. And I've been loving that. Oh, there's a bunch of goodies in here. We have a face mask, Cosmic Shimmer Hologram Foil Mask. So we have that. These little squigglies are getting everywhere. Oh, we have these earrings, and you know, I received them in a box already, but they were white. So how cool that I got them again in a different color. And what's nice about these is that they're so lightweight. And I was actually gonna put them on. I normally don't wear earrings unless I go out, but I was gonna put them on to wear in the videos, but I love these. So this is definitely worth the price of the box so far, and there's still more in there. So I'm assuming these are items from past boxes, which is fine. Perfect Simple Citrus Chicken. Make food and eat it. Make food and eat it. Make food and eat it. Okay, your guess is as good as mine because I have never seen this before. Equal parts herbal, the simple marinade for chicken. Oh, so you cook with this. Okay, I have never seen this before. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Let me know. I guess this is for cooking. And you know I don't cook. So, Perfect Simple Citrus Chicken. I'm gonna have to try that. I have never seen that before. That is really interesting. Bella Pierre 12 Color Pro Matte Lip Palette. I think I received this in one of my boxes. I'm not gonna open it because I think I got this already. I'll have to do some digging, but I do think I received this. And there's still more. This box was so worth it. But I've never seen that chicken thing before, so please, please leave me a comment if you received that. And oh my goodness, what is this? It's a basket. I know I've never received this before. It almost looks like one of those chef hats you wear. So this is a basket. So I'm thinking you press this down. Wow. So it looks like this. It's got a bunch of hands all over it. How cool is that? And I've never seen this before either. Wow, you can put all sorts of like neat little things in here. That is awesome. Yeah, I've never seen this before. It's this little basket. So let me just make sure there's nothing else in here. I don't think there is. So we got this cute basket. And I'm thinking I received this before, so I am gonna check. So we got that. We got this eye balm. This I have to definitely check on because I've never even seen this in any of the boxes or unboxings that I've watched. We got the face mask. We got these great earrings. I love them in white, so I'm not mad that I got them in green. We got the frother. And this is my favorite item, the spray. We got the lemongrass soap. Oh my God, it smells amazing. And I'm just gonna check to make sure I didn't leave anything else in the box besides all these squigglies. Oh, there they go. They're all over the floor. Can you imagine if I had a pet? think of that great mystery box? And then we got the butterfly sticker. I thought this was an awesome mystery box. I wasn't expecting anything of that value inside this mystery box. I really don't know what I was expecting, but I'm thinking this is probably stuff from past boxes, which is fine, because the only thing I can think of a duplicate was that lip palette. But let me know what your favorite item is. Let me know if you received this box and if it was the exact same. I held off on watching videos because I didn't want to see spoilers. So as always, you have a great weekend. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.